أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن للمتقين عند ربهم جنات النعيم. أفنجعل المسلمين كالمجرمين ما لكم كيف تحكمون أم لكم كتاب فيه تدرسون إن لكم فيه لما تخيرون أم لكم أيمان علينا بالغة إلى يوم القيامة إن لكم لما تحكمون سلهم أيهم بذلك زعيم أم لهم شركاء فليأتوا بشركائهم إن كانوا صادقين يوم يكشف عن ساق ويدعون إلى السجود فلا يستطيعون خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة وقد كانوا يدعون إلى السجود وهم سالمون فذرني ومن يكذب بهذا الحديث سنستدرجهم من حيث لا يعلمون وأملي لهم إن كيدي متين أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تكن كصاحب الحوت إذ نادى وهو مكظوم لولا أن تداركه نعمة من ربه لنبذ بالعراء وهو مذموم فاجتباه ربه فجعله من الصالحين وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقونك بأبصارهم لما سمعوا الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون وما هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
Indeed, for the righteous with their Lord are the gardens of pleasure. Then will we treat the Muslims like the criminals? What is the matter with you? How judge you? Or do you have a scripture in which you learn that indeed for you is whatever you choose? Or do you have oaths binding upon us, extending until the day of resurrection, that indeed for you is whatever you judge? Ask them which of them, for that claim, is responsible. Or do they have partners? Then let them bring their partners, if they should be truthful. The day the shin will be uncovered and they are invited to prostration, but the disbelievers will not be able. Their eyes humbled, humiliation will cover them. And they used to be invited to prostration while they were sound. So leave me, O Muhammad, with the matter of whoever denies the Quran. We will progressively lead them to punishment from where they do not know. And I will give them time. Indeed, my plan is firm. Or do you ask of them a payment, so they are by debt burdened down? Or have they knowledge of the unseen, so they write it down? Then be patient for the decision of your Lord, O Muhammad, and be not like the companion of the fish when he called out while he was distressed. If not that a favor from his Lord overtook him, he would have been thrown onto the naked shore while he was censured. And his Lord chose him and made him of the righteous. And indeed, those who disbelieve would almost make you slip with their eyes when they hear the message, and they say, indeed, he is mad. And although this Quran is only a reminder for the whole world,
وَإِذْ صَرَفْنَا إِلَيْكَ نَفَرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ يَسْتَمِعُونَ الْقُرْآنَ فَلَمَّا حَضَرُوهُ قَالُوا أَنصِتُوا.
And mention, O Muhammad, when we directed to you a few of the jinn listening to the Quran. And when they attended it, they said, listen quietly.